Hello, I'm David Taylor from Web Media in Chester, and today's video is about self-build website tools, and there are quite a few out there at the moment. They get some quite high publicity on TV and so forth, makes it look very easy to build your own business website for what purports to be a fraction of the cost of employing a professional to do it. But I just want to highlight just a few issues that if you're considering building a site using one of these tools, you might want to bear in mind. And the first one is a lack of flexibility. Now, I'm not citing any particular set of tools here, but some of the more common ones are Wix, as you can see here, Squarespace, and One-on-One Website Builder. There are others out there, and they all do essentially the same job. But when I say a lack of flexibility, what I mean is that on all of these systems, these tools are particular to the company that is promoting them, whether it be Wix or anyone else. They have built these tools. They are not open source and they are not commonly available. So they are in essentially closed circuit. And what I mean by that is that you have only got what they offer in terms of flexibility to build your site and the tools that they provide you to do that. Whereas if you use a system like WordPress, which we use, or indeed other systems, Magento, Joomla, they are modular systems and they are very, very flexible. They can be built on, and different modules can be put together in order to create exactly what you want in terms of aesthetics and also functionality. So I think it's quite an important point to bear in mind when you're looking to build a website, is that you have that high level of flexibility available to you. The second is that a lot of these systems don't provide you with analytics data, and that is really important. It's very important to know in some detail what are people doing when they come to your website, where are they coming from, how long do they spend, where do they go, what do they look at. These are essential pieces of information for any business to understand whether their website is hitting the right buttons with their target audience. And with some of these prescriptive self-build tools, you will find a lack of that kind of data available to tell you what people are doing. The industry standard, of course, is Google Analytics, and that's what we use because it is free and it works beautifully with WordPress, and provides an excellent range of data information. So the third reason I have issues with self-build websites is their lack of appeal to Google. And as you know, it is no good having a lovely website if none of your target audience knows that it exists and it has no visibility. So it is almost equally important as building the website to ensure that it is Google friendly and set up for Google, and Google has no problems with the website. And once again, you will find there are a number of issues with self-build tools, issues like Flash, which is an animation-based solution used in some self-build websites, and also page load speed and other issues that basically make it difficult to make these free websites Google friendly. My fourth problem is poor first impression indeed, in fact. And if we look at this is an example that was flagged up to us, and this website on the right hand side here is called Healthy Harry. And I hope that you would agree that if you saw that as a website for the first time, your impression would not be terribly complimentary. It looks dated, the imagery is quite poor, the layout and color palette and so on is not doing this product any favors. So again, when you're paying for a professional designer, you're paying for someone who has designed and studied design and has designed many websites and knows how to make that very important first impression. Couple more. Mobile responsive issues. Again, I'm not citing a specific website build tool here, but I am aware that some of these websites that are build yourself do not necessarily render well on tablet and mobile devices. And again, with a professional designer, they will know exactly how to construct your website so that it can be it can provide a good user experience on mobile phone and tablet, and that's an increasingly important part of the mix right now. And then the last one for these is cost. Now, a lot of people go down the road of developing one of their website through one of these free templates because they are advertised as free. But the reason I flagged this up is because they may offer a free trial, or they may be initially free, but overall the intent of these companies is usually to charge the consumer in some shape or form going forward. So you may get the initial thing for free, but don't assume that it is always going to be free or that it is all going to be free. Ultimately, you will probably find there is a cost attached to it. So there we go, 6 reasons why we think that building your business website with these kind of pre-templated tools are not necessarily going to be in your best interests or your business interests in the longer term. Hope that's of interest. We'll see you next time for another video. Thank you.